Somebody ring the doorbell?
Grandma. Who can it be on Easter? What is that?
Is that your Easter basket?
The Easter bunny cave.
Is it for you?
Oh,
Look
look.
at
You got a basket full of goodies.
What is that?
Wow. The
Let's see what you
Easter
got.
bunny cave.
Wow.
What is that, Max?
The fork.
Yeah.
Frog?
It's a duck dressed up like a
duck.
frog.
The
Quack, quack.
quack quack.
Wow.
What else is in there?
The egg.
There's an egg.
Egg.
What's in the egg? Uh-oh.
Oh, look at these. Blue, purple, and yellow, and
Is that
white.
candy? I think that's a treat.
Are those treats?
Trees.
Treats, yeah.
Wow.
There's trees.
Yeah.
And blue.
It's a blue treat.
Yeah.
And the pink. And trees.
Yeah, pink treat.
And the white.
A
And
white treat.
White egg.
Well, egg. White.
What else is in your basket?
What else did you get?
And pink. The whole egg. Chicks.
Ooh,
Chicks.
chicks.
The duck.
Little chicks.
Duck. Easter bunnies.
Easter
Yeah,
bunnies.
Easter bunnies. Wow.
The blue egg.
Neat.
A blue egg.
The bread.
What's in that egg?
What's in there?
Is there something in that egg?
Check it out, Max. Open up the egg.
The egg.
More treats.
More
Blue
treats.
trees. The blue tree.
Yeah.
One tree.
A yellow treat.
A white.
White.
A pink.
And pink.
Purple.
Purple egg. Kind of anticlimactic here. Are those jelly beans?
Jelly beans. Yummy.
Jabbies.
You want to taste one? Why don't you eat one? There you go.
You can chew
Lick-
it.
licking
Chew
it.
You can chew it. Chew it
It's
up.
not every day you get treats.
Make sure you chew it up.
One pass.
Wonder Pets. Yeah, that's Wonder Pets in the other room. Is that good?
That green jabbies.
Green jelly beans.
The rat.
Red. You can chew it.
The rat.
Thank you.
Orange. Orange. Oh.
Oh.
Yummy.
And purple.
And you got presents too. What else did you get in there?
The purple.
Yeah.
Purple egg.
And
Those
glass.
are cool
You got sunglasses.
Whoa.
Whoa, look at those.
You're gonna need this up here, huh? Is that Toy Story?
Get out.
Wow.
Maybe Daddy can take that
Yeah.
thing off.
Security.
Yeah.
More jelly beans. Those are little ones. Maybe those are easier to chew.
The rat.
Mm-hmm.
And what? And pink. The rat.
What is this?
Jabbies.
Ooh. That looks fun. You put that around your neck. There you go.
Oh. The rat. Ha. Ha.
And you got some, what else did you get? Did you get some stickers?
Mickey Mouse.
Mickey Mouse stickers?
And Easter Bunny.
And Easter Bunny.
Oh, those are cool stickers, Max.
It's so hard. I'm so hard. Mickey, hold on. Hold me. Hold
Mickey and Minnie Mouse?
Easter Bunny.
Yes. Whoa, cool. I think Dad wants to play with it.
Easter Bunny.
I almost got you one too. I mean the bunny. Easter Bunny almost got one for you too.
And press.
Yeah, that's the grass. Let's leave that in there. Look, you've got other stuff in here. What's this?
More things. Ooh, yummy. Chocolate.
What is that?
The bunny.
That's a bunny. Is that a chocolate bunny?
It's a chocolate bunny.
Chocolate bunny. You're supposed to bite his ear off.
Take a bite.
That's a big bite. Mmm.
Chocolate.
The high chocolate milk.
It's
Like chocolate milk. Mmm.
And chocolate milk.
Is it good? For someone who doesn't get chocolate every day, you're not acting very excited.
I think he's just, oh,
It's
can't
green.
believe what's going on. Overwhelming, huh, Max?
I think I saw something in the backyard. The Easter Bunny left something in the backyard for you. Do you want to go see?
All right.
Okay, we gotta,
Bring your basket.
let's bring your basket. Let's bring your basket. You're gonna need your basket for this, okay? We have to go hunt for Easter eggs. Okay, get your basket. You ready?
All right.
All right, bring your basket. Put your bunny down, we'll eat that later.
Come on, this way, buddy.
Here, I'll hold that for you. No, you can eat this in a minute. Let's go look in the yard.
Come here, Max.